Let me tell you about a voice. Not this voice, but the one inside. The one that whispers. It tells me what's right and what's not, when to leave and where to go. It does not speak in memorable lines. My inner voice always gives it to me straight. Tells me who my real friends are, when to say yes, when to say no, whether the person sitting next to me is the one I'll be spending the rest of my life with, or not. Sometimes that voice is crystal clear. Go, stay, right, wrong. Sometimes it merely whispers. Don't let it drown in a noisy world, because in the end, no man, woman, or algorithm knows what's right for you. Always trust your inner voice.
Ada na Embo, Wishi na Ado. The Fada Embo or Fadambo. Fada fast while Sanato Wato be Igbo. The Sanato Chineke na Madam Adike and his son be Fada Machi or Fadam Adike. Fada Nata Fada multiply that one na Igbo. The Igbo atọ Adamachi Adam Adike na Fala the Al Fadamachi from Adamachi. The Master Obias ta Emadan investigator na di Tonugo afadi Bantu Sele Wishi the share with Uwaren Orajana ancestors